Welcome to Response AI Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the step-by-step process to create a new construct. To start creating a new construct, click the Menu button in the upper left-hand corner of the Projects page. Select Constructs from the menu. Here, you will see a list of constructs that have been created by Response AI or members of your organization. To search the list, type your keyword or words beside the magnifying glass. In the upper right-hand portion of the Constructs page, you can filter which types of constructs will appear in the list below. General and standard constructs created by Response AI are accessible to anyone with a login. Custom constructs are designated by company, and only users with a login registered to that company's account can see these constructs. Above the Filter options, you can click the Create button to begin creating a new construct in the New Construct pop-up. Start by giving your construct a name or code. For today's purposes, we will name this construct Tutorial. Next, select the type of question you want to base your construct on. Use Select Single here. Under Specification, designate your construct as Custom and verify that your company is selected, because we only want this construct viewable by our organization's members. In the short description, type a brief string of text that describes the construct and is visible in the construct list view. In the detailed description, you can provide more information about the construct. For now, we will leave copy from construct as it is because we want to create a new construct. In the construct detail overview, you will notice that the construct detail is populated by our previous selections. Under Tags, you can search for tags that you would like to associate with this construct. This way you can search for and group questions by tag later on. In Parameters, you can decide if you want this construct to be hidden or visible in Word exports. Leave it unchecked to keep your construct visible. You can also designate whether a response is required. Leave the items direction as vertical and the selection format as radio button. In the Texts subheading, you will need to select at least one language to proceed. Click the plus button and select a language. Now you can enter your question formulation, instructions, error text, and many other options. Now, enter your response options for our single select question construct. Click Add New Item to add one response at a time, or select Add More Items and enter the number of responses you would like to create. I've added 5 response choices. Each response choice can be edited in the grid above. You can edit data value, export visibility, exclusivity of response, and fixed placement in order. If you would like a response choice to have text entry, select Other, and other params can be used to force a text entry when Other is selected. Below this, you have options to randomize or randomly flip our response list. Lastly, you will need to label our response options with the text you want respondents to see, and the text to be included in reports using this construct. Click the plus button and select a language. Here, you can either enter text directly into the boxes, or you can select Plain Edit to easily make large changes. If you would prefer these labels to appear differently in reports, click Add New Report Labels and designate them there. Once you have finished creating your labels, select the Back button and the construct will automatically be saved. You can then find it at any time using the aforementioned search button. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for easy access to all the resources you need to make your next survey with Response AI a success.